Here today I show this China-made negative ion generator that I have. It's a China brand, so I'm very excited to try this out. And I'm gonna start off by showing you the box. So this is the outer box. I'm gonna rotate it so you can see how it looks like. If you can read Mandarin, don't worry. You can make a screenshot and you can translate it using Google Translate. So yeah, there you go. Alright, so I'm gonna proceed by opening the box. So this is how it looks like when you first open up the box. You see a manual, a user manual, which I'm gonna show it to you page by page later. So I'm gonna open up here. Alright, so first of all, we're gonna see like the machine itself. It's plastic and the quality is not too bad. It's okay, it's good. I'm gonna show it to you how it looks like from this side, where you can see some writings. So it's pretty much that's it. And then there's a plug that you can see, and then yeah, okay, I'm gonna put it one side. Right. These were the plug, the power plug itself. Okay. Battery and a remote. So you get a remote control which comes with the device. Alright. And I'm not quite sure what it is. I'm gonna open it up to show you. Seems to be sealed. Alright, so need to cut it open. So let me proceed. Okay. Interesting. So I think this is an electrode kind of a device where you can wear it on your wrist or something like that. Not quite sure how it works, but you can see like some kind of writing here. 2013 or something like that. Okay. Right. Okay. So I'm gonna put it one side first. Right. It's a test pen. Not quite sure why you need that, but okay, good to right side. So right now, I'm going to show you the instruction manual, page by page. So, alright. Alright, there you go. So this is the instruction manual for the device. Alright, so now I'm gonna begin to plug in the device. So I'm gonna take this out. Alright, so I'm gonna plug it in. So here there's a slot. Alright. So it's all plugged in now. I'm gonna convert this plug to Malaysian plug. So I have this in handy. If you wanna buy this, you can let me know. I can send it to you. So all plugged in. Alright, we're gonna prepare the remote control first. So this is a remote that comes with it. Alright, yeah, so we're gonna put in the batteries. Alright, so the batteries. Right, remote control is ready. Plug it in and turn it on. So right now I'm gonna put this on the floor first to show you how it looks like and everything. And alright, I'm gonna put this in. So this is turned on already, and you can see, yeah. So now it's on already. Oh, interesting. You can hear the sound when you touch the front. It's very interesting. See? Oh, I wonder like, is it why they give us this test pen so we can see like if there's like any light? Is it? Oh, you see. Whoa. Okay, interesting. Yeah. So, let's do a close up to see like this thing working. See? Whoa. The electric levels of this. You hear the sound. See? Whoa, amazing. Whoa. Woo. Interesting. Okay. So interesting that you can really see the levels of the thing through the test pen. I never encountered this before in other negative ion generators. So, see? Oh, amazing. Okay. See, you can see the lights on. Perhaps it means that it's a very high level of negative ions. Okay, alright. So there you go. This is a demonstration for it. They also gave us like this thing here. I'm not quite sure what it is. I'm gonna plug it in and see what happens. Alright. Right. So doesn't seem to be anything happening, but maybe I should use a test pen on it first before I actually do anything. So I'm gonna put it like some distance from the machine and I'm gonna put a test pen. Right. So it seems fine. So okay. I'm gonna put on my wrists and see what happens. Right, so this concludes our test, and definitely this is a very interesting device. So the air actually flows. You can hear the sound. So I think this is the lowest level. So let me turn it on to the highest level and see what happens. So let's see. You can adjust the wind speed. So this is like more wind and less wind. So I'm not sure why like it's not showing anything. Oh, okay. One is like for when you're sleeping in time, it will just come out like some minute like a soft breeze. So yeah, so different modes give different effects. Okay. So 3 is like a high mode. See, it's like stronger wind, more effect. Okay, interesting. So the rest are like timers. So all these actually shown in the manual. So yeah, alright. Hey everyone, I just want to show something interesting that I found about this device. If I put my hand near it, you can see there's a sound, right? Okay, I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's actually dark. So I'm going to get onto it by offing the lights. Okay, right. So now I can see a faint hue of the machine. And now this is what it looks like when I put my hand near the machine. See? Oh, amazing! Look at this. Look at this. So this is my thumb here. So you can see that. I'm just gonna put it near my thumb. Okay, let's show it to you. Let me see. See? Oh, gonna zoom in. Yeah, I do apologize for the. I think the low light of this my recording device, which is this iPhone. It's not like ideal, but okay. Let me zoom out first. Okay, I'm gonna take it from the top to bottom, so maybe I can show you it more clearly. Wait, see my hand. I just put my hand. Okay, I'm gonna put my hand near it. So I haven't touched the unit yet. I can see the lights. See? Oh, amazing. Look at this. Oh. I'm gonna zoom in. Oh. Interesting. Okay, let me focus. Let me see if I can focus it in the dark. Okay, right. The light helps. Clear view. Interesting. It doesn't hurt. There might be. I mean, I can feel like there's a wind sort of thing that, because it's a fan anyways, but I do feel something, but it's not painful. So yeah, it's quite interesting. See, so when see my hand, that's actually my hand, and yeah, see, look at this. So interesting. Okay, now I'm gonna turn on the light so you can actually see which part of my hand is being experiencing this phenomenon now. So I'm gonna turn on the light. Yeah, see? Oh, actually it's visible even now. Whoa. Look at this. Whoa. Interesting. Okay. Right. There goes the demonstration. So the interesting thing about this device is that you can see that there's a very strong static force that comes out of it. But although it looks scary, but it doesn't hurt. It's just very interesting seeing the light and the reaction of my fingers to the static from this device. So just want to show you guys this phenomenon that I found. It does tingle a little bit, but it doesn't hurt. Ihai chứ về đây khăn đâu đi không? Hello. Hello à? So there you go. This is a demonstration for the device that I just unboxed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you find it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining by, and see you guys next time. Bye, God bless. Jesus loves you, and He heals.